To create shorts on YouTube, you can follow a few simple steps to ensure that your videos are engaging, well-produced, and optimized for the platform. First, decide on the content and format of your shorts. Shorts are typically brief, snappy videos that capture viewers' attention quickly, so consider creating content that is entertaining, informative, or visually captivating. Next, ensure that your video is shot vertically, as shorts are designed to be viewed on mobile devices in a vertical format. This means that you should hold your phone or camera vertically while filming to optimize the viewing experience. Additionally, keep your videos concise and to the point, as shorts are typically between 15 seconds and 1 minute in length. Once you have your content planned out, focus on capturing high-quality footage. Use a smartphone or camera with a good camera quality to ensure that your videos are clear and crisp. Pay attention to lighting, framing, and composition to create visually appealing shots. You can also experiment with different camera angles, transitions, and effects to make your shorts more dynamic and engaging. After filming your footage, you can edit it using video editing software or mobile editing apps. Trim your clips to remove any unnecessary footage and add text, graphics, or music to enhance your video. Keep in mind that short-form content requires fast-paced editing to keep viewers' attention, so aim for quick cuts and transitions. You can also use filters or effects to add a unique style to your shorts and make them stand out from the crowd. Once your video is edited and ready to go, upload it to YouTube using the Shorts camera feature or the YouTube app on your mobile device. Make sure to add relevant tags, titles, and descriptions to optimize your video for search and discovery on the platform. You can also share your shorts on other social media platforms to reach a wider audience and drive engagement.